Hello, my people of the internet, and welcome to 2Cent Friday, where I give my opinion on something new each week. And now in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about content versus distribution. Also, a huge shout out for Chris and Casey for giving me this idea. His link will be in the description below. Be sure to check his channel out after you're done watching this video, of course. Now, first of all, let's start with content. Now, it's important to be making content on a regular basis and to be putting it out on lots of different social media. And if you're not doing this, any amount of promoting or distributing won't do you any good at all. So if you don't get that checked off the list, then you can't move on to the other. But I think they're both equally as important at the same time. Because once you're making your content, you do need to get it out to people. Now, you also don't want to be the self-advertising machine, which a lot of people end up becoming because they hear, well, you need to promote your videos. So they advertise them for everybody. They'll be like, oh, will you subscribe to me? Oh, will you subscribe to me? But at the end of the day, that's just being counterproductive. The thing is, if you really want to distribute what you're making, you really need to make friends along the way, and that's the way to do it. But like I say, if you're not making any content, then what is the point of building all these connections and spending all this time doing this stuff? Now, this is something I used to personally do on some of my old channels, is I wouldn't focus enough on the content side of things, but I would focus on getting it out there and getting more subscribers and getting more attention on social media. But I wasn't making enough content, and I wasn't making it on a consistent basis. So what was the point of over promoting myself? Where now I'm focused, I gotta get the content out first. I can't focus on any of that promoting stuff until the content is out first. And when it does come time to where I'm actually promoting, I am just building relationships with people I already know, helping people out, and just genuinely being a good person. And I'm not trying to give with wanting anything in return. I'm just trying to give because it feels good to give. At the end of the day, I think it is a balancing act, and you do want to balance them. But I think content would be like a 30%, and distributing would be about like a 70%. Let's face it, you can make as much content as you want, but if you're not getting it out there, unless your content is like A+ level, you're not going to make a name for yourself. It's going to be so freaking difficult. You got to put in the extra work to distribute it, to build relationships, all of that stuff. And I would say that really is 70% of it. But if you aren't doing the 30%, then that 70% doesn't even matter. Hey, but that's just my opinion. Be sure to leave a comment below telling me yours. I really like to hear what you guys have to say. Leave a like if you got some value out of this video. And until next time, peace out. My outros are really bad.